Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Note: the webcam can be removed without first detaching the display assembly from the base enclosure. Before you begin, remove the battery and display bezel. Removal. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Place the webcam board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static dissipative bag. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently push down on the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure.